Hi, and welcome back. In this video, we'll set up your store setting and your sales tax. We begin by clicking the three lines at the bottom left corner and head on over to your store settings. Over here, you will enter your store's basic information such as your store's name, the address, and the contact information. This information may appear on your receipts, reports, or your store records, so make sure your store details are correct and up to date. Next, open the Tax Information tab. This is where you define the tax rates used in your store. Click Add Tax Info to create a tax. You will enter three fields: the tax number, which is an internal ID used by the system, description, which would be the name of the tax, percentage, which would be your local tax rate. For items that are not taxable, you can create a second tax rate and you can add the description as non-tax or percentage as 0%. The tax is applied when creating or editing items in the Pricebook. Open up the Pricebook, select an item, and locate the tax field. Choose the appropriate tax rate, for example, tax for taxable items, non-tax for items like lottery, stamps, or other tax-exempt products. When an item is sold, the POS will automatically calculate the tax and add it to the total during checkout. CronySoft automatically rounds tax calculation to the nearest cent. Your store is now ready to calculate sales tax correctly. In the next video, we'll continue to set up your store and prepare the POS for daily operations.